Hello, Foundations and Pre-Calculus Math 10 students. I'm logged in as a test student right here, and I wanted to show you what things look like as you log into the class. You can see on the left-hand side, you have announcements. And these announcements would normally rotate through. They'll have my schedule, whether I'm in the office or not. And if I'm out of the office, I always update that. And that way you'll know whether you can give me a call or not. My contact information is also here. Here's my direct line is right here. And this is my direct fax number if you're faxing your assignments to me. And this is a link to the web conference room, which is a great way for some one-on-one tutoring if there's something that you don't understand. Now in this section, you can print a formula sheet. There's links to calculators and how to print notes and things like that. I'll let you look at that on your own. Now the first unit is 3D shapes and trigonometry, and the second one is measurement. Now I'm going to go straight to measurement because I have a couple of things in there I want to show you. So each unit's pretty much the same. I'm building this as I go along. So the one thing that all of the units will have will be quizzes. There'll be quizzes along the way. Now these quizzes are worth a tiny little bit of marks, so you can redo them over and over again until you get 100% if you'd like. But they're basically practice that to make sure you're on the right track. But I'll go straight to the lesson. So the lesson will take you to a place called StudyForge, and it should open up automatically. If it doesn't, you might want to check your Flash settings, and I can help you with that if you're having trouble opening it. But it should open up. It's taking its time. And there it is. So once you're in here, we have access to videos. You can print off notes. Now, what does it look like? Well, if you print off one chapter at a time, all of the videos are in this. So here would be the first video would attach itself to this slide. So you can make notes and add things to these notes as you go along and watch the videos. And to watch the video, you just click on it, and
the international system of measurement is the most common.
You can fast forward through it. You can rewind and rewatch parts of it,
or its capacity, or both.
And it's all right.
Perhaps in this case, so we should make ice cream healthy.
Now below the videos, there's practice questions. So if I just pick one at random here, this is about scientific notation and how to do scientific notation. You can scribble over here and do your practice if you want. But basically, you do this on some paper, and then you can check your answer. And if you understand what's going on, you click yes. And if you didn't understand it, you can say, no, I didn't understand that. And we'll keep track of that, and you can come back to those questions later. Or if you have problems, you can always contact me, and I'll help you through that. So these are practice. All the answers are there. For some of the questions, there are solutions. Looks like none of these do have solutions. They just have the answers. But there are solutions to show you how to work through those questions. So once you go through the lessons, you could go through and do the quiz that I went to the wrong spot. Let's go to the quiz. So measurement 1 quiz. And in this case, there's 4 questions. And you can go through and do the quiz. And it'll give you a little bit of feedback as you go through at the end. And I'm just making up numbers. And you can do those questions, and then it will tell you how you did. I got 1 out of 4, which isn't very good, but I'm sure you'll do better. So like as I said before, you can go back and redo those. And one other thing I wanted to show you is how do you print an assignment. So here's your assignment. And the link here is to the assignment. So here's a printed assignment. You print that off, you do the work, and then you can send it to me. So there's two ways you can send it to me. The best way is to add a submission and have a scanned document and upload it here. So you can scan it, upload it, and then I'll have it right here in my computer. The second way is to fax it to my contact number in that fax number that I showed you at the beginning. So the assignments are worth most of your marks, and then there's a test at the end of the unit as well. So hopefully that helps you get started. Most important thing to do is to ask me when you have questions. Ask lots of questions and I will be happy to answer them.